Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about some interesting ways of speaking Mandarin. That's the reduplication of adjectives. In Chinese, it's 形容词的重叠. In this way, it doesn't change the meaning of the sentence, just to strengthen the degree. Today, we are going to focus on two main ways of adjective reduplications. Let's see them. Number one is AA 式。那么什么是 AA 式呢？其实在汉语中，大多数的单音节形容词都可以重叠。那么什么叫单音节形容词呢？ One-syllable adjective， 你可以把它理解成为就是一个汉字表示的形容词。One Chinese character is an adjective itself, like 红色的红 red， 大小的大小高矮等等。So these adjectives can be reduplicated, and the simplest form is AA 式 like 红红的绿绿的高高的胖胖的 something like this. For example, 他的个子高高的 means he is tall. 高 here is an adjective. So 高高的 it's just like he is tall in English. In English, it's a little strange and not correct, right? Tall. But in Chinese, 高高的大大的瘦瘦的小小的 this form is normal. So that's the difference. Let's go on. Let's see the two-syllable adjective, 也就是双音节形容词。你可以把它理解成为两个汉字组合在一起所展现出来的形容词 such as 安全、清楚、干净、开心等等 something like this. So these adjectives belong to AABB 式 So what is AABB? For example, 安安全全安安全全干干净净 means clean. 开开心心红红火火红红火火 So that's the other way of the adjective reduplication. For example, her room is very clean. In Chinese is 她的房间干干净净的她的房间干干净净的 Here 干干净净just means clean, but it's an reduplication of adjectives. Next, 你要开开心心的你要开开心心的开心 here 开开心心你要快快乐乐的你要快快乐乐的快乐 here 快快乐乐 That means you have to be happy. When we comfort or encourage others, this expression is always used. 你要开开心心的 something like this. Another example, 祝你的生意红红火火祝你的生意红红火火 It means good luck with your business, a way to bless others. So that is AABB 式 one of the way of adjective reduplications in Chinese Mandarin, the Chinese characters reduplication. Of course, there are some other forms of adjective reduplication in Chinese Mandarin, like AABB or ABB, some forms like this. We will talk about them later. So, based on what we have learned today, if you have known some Chinese adjectives, you can try to use the expressions we have learned today. Actually, to some extent, in daily conversation, if we use the adjective reduplication, the tone seems not so serious, but a little cute, and it can show some kindness. Something like this, so you get it? Today, our video is coming to an end. See you next time. Bye!